Hello, in this video I want to show you how to insert SD card to KODAK PIXPRO. And to do this we'll need to look on the bottom of this camera. Right here you can see the hatch for the SD card, and now you need to pull it to the right, just like that. This should open a hatch, and now we need to take the SD card with the adapter and place it inside. I think it should go in. No, okay, so it needs to go like this. Now use your finger and keep pushing it until you hear the click, then release and a card is inserted. You can close the hatch, but in case you want to remove it, use your finger again and simply click on the card, and now just pull it out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.